Okay, so you just got done doing a really pretty eyeshadow look, but you realize that maybe you've brought this down lower than you should. Don't fret. When you're using this cream makeup, it's so easy to clean things up. Now, I love using these two brushes for eyeshadow cleanup, Smudge brush and Multitasker brush. So depending on how precise you want to be, the Multitasker is always going to be a little bit better. You can go into your shades here, and then you're just going to kind of lift it back up again. Okay, so you can create a really pretty line that gives you nice precision. Then I like to take the smudge brush and just kind of dab it. Remember, with cream, dabbing is always better than swiping, but look how much prettier that is. It just lifted it right back up again. And then also you can take your brightening shade and just kind of trace out that brow to give that brow some really pretty shape without adding a lot of sparkle, especially if you have a hooded eye. You don't want to add a lot of sparkle up there, but you still want the brightness of the brow. One other place that is really cool to clean up that you may not know that you've missed is to take a brightening shade, and if you have these creases, like just areas, and usually we get them right here because things are just kind of shifting and falling. So when you have a shadow right there, if you clean that up right there, it looks so much better. See over here, I haven't cleaned it up. See how much prettier it is? It's the reason I love cream makeup so much.